install OpenVPN Connect app to your Chromecast, you will need to prepare the following stuff. An USB Type-C hub with PD-capable power supply port. If you don't use PD, the Chromecast will complain about insufficient power. A power supply which supports PD protocol. Also, the Type-C cable must be a PD-capable cable. Connect power supply to your hub's PD port, and plug the USB hub to the Chromecast. Now your Chromecast is ready to accept USB drives and mouse. Please format the drive in FAT32 format. Open apkmirror.com with a browser, search and download the OpenVPN Connect APK and save it to your USB disk. Now we need to turn on unknown sources for sideloading APK from USB. Let's do this quickly. Tap this for 10 times. Turn on unknown sources here after enabling developer options. Now on Google TV, press voice button and say, "Open Google Play Store." Search and install MiBox APK installer for Android TV. This is for installing APK from USB. Search and install sideload folder for Android TV. This is for accessing sideloaded apps from home screen. Open MiBox APK installer to install OPENVPN Connect from USB. Won't be able to find sideloaded OPENVPN directly on home screen, so open sideload folder to open it. This app requires mouse to use. Connect one to the USB hub, or get a Bluetooth one. Now import your OVPN file from your USB drive and enjoy OpenVPN. I've tested it, it is running smoothly for hours without problem.